Hey, this is Isara with UX in Motion, and I'm going to share with you my free frames to milliseconds converter widget for After Effects. Okay, so here's how this works. So if you're working in After Effects, you can add this little widget here, and wherever you're at, it will display your frames and milliseconds. So why is this important? So you can go to my site, uxinmotion.net, and download this for free. And I'm including the link in the description here, and then hopefully in the video on YouTube, something pops up and you can use it. So download that so you can follow along. It's totally free. So what's going on here? So I typically work in frames in After Effects. And if you don't know, you can hit Command click in here and it toggles between frames and sort of like seconds. But the problem is it's not milliseconds. So if you're doing UX projects and you need to sort of deliver milliseconds timing to developers, there's no easy way to do this. So let me show you how this works. So wherever you scroll, this updates, it tells you where you're at. And it's also set to your frame rate. So I will just walk you through this whole thing here. So let me just delete all this, and I'm going to import just a project file. This one is actually from my website. It's a free design source file, how to create a sticky nav in After Effects. You can just click that, and the button to download is in the post. So I'm just going to open this up here, and here's the project file. So this is just a free blog post I made on how to do a sticky nav in like After Effects. But notice that the frame rate, so I just hit Command K to get up the composition settings. The frame rate is set to 60 frames a second. That's what I work at. I know people that work at 24, so that's also a possibility. So check this out. So to get the widget, all you have to do is go click the link in here, download it. It's going to show up on your desktop as just this little frames to milliseconds After Effects file. Now in After Effects, you can actually import other After Effects files into your file. It's really cool. So you just go to File, Import, File, locate that, in this case frames to milliseconds right here, and it's just going to put it in a folder. You can scroll that down, and I've actually created 3 presets for you. Now you have to make sure they're using the right one or it won't work. So in this case, we know we're working at 60 frames a second. I actually made 30. I don't know anybody that works in 30, but I was like, I'll just give you another one just for the hell of it. So I just grabbed this 60 and I just drag it on top, and now you can see it's just kind of this floating widget. I can turn it, on and off, and wherever I'm at, it just syncs up. So the 47 frames will sync up here, and then it will tell me exactly how many milliseconds I have. So now I know that if my motion starts on, frame 0 and ends at frame 197, I know, and I can tell my developer that's exactly 3283 milliseconds. And that's it. That's how the whole thing works. It's really, really simple, and it just lets you do that conversion for you. So that's it. That's all I got. Thanks for watching, and make sure you download that, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.